5-Minute Digger Tales, Amusement Park Fiasco, published by Igloo Books. The JCB team couldn't wait to finish work. After a day of shoveling, lifting, and digging, Doug was treating them to a trip to the amusement park. They were so excited. "It's going to be so much fun," said Elvis. "I'm going to whoosh down the mega slide." "Come on, let's go get our tickets," said Joey excitedly. As soon as they got through the gates, Dan Dozer and Elvis headed for the mega slide. At the top, they waved at the other boulders. Dan went first. "Whee!" he cried, sliding down. "Me next," said Elvis. It was going to be amazing. He pushed off excitedly. Whee! Then suddenly, Elvis came to a stop. "Oh no, I'm stuck," he called. "Has anyone got a plan to get Elvis unstuck?" asked Roxy Robot, worriedly. Everyone tried to think. "I know," volunteered Larry Lowdoll. "Leave it to me." Larry climbed to the top of the slide, then slid down behind Elvis. He pushed his forks under Elvis's treads and lifted. Larry released Elvis from the slide by lifting his forklift up high with Elvis sitting on it. Everyone cheered as they slid down to the bottom together. "Thanks," said Elvis. "I thought I might be up there all night." "Good work, Larry," said Doug, as they headed to another ride. "That's okay. No job is too big," said Larry with a smile. "Now let's have some fun." The builders spent the rest of the evening on all the cool rides. They went on the merry-go-round, the haunted garage, and the big roller coaster. "This is the most fun ever," said Elvis. The end.